Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Greetings to everyone. I am Sarha from class 9 Ganga, here to speak few words on Kankadas Jayanti. Each year it falls on 18th day of Kartika Masa, which is usually November month. Kankadas Jayanti commemorates the birth anniversary of the great poet, philosopher and saint Sri Kankadas. Kankadas was born into a Kannada Kuruba family in Bada village near Bankapur in the year 1509. He was a warrior at Bankapur fort. He was taught by Srinivasacharya. As a child, he became an expert in Larka, Vyakarana and Mimipsa. Kankadas' story of a visit to a Krishna temple has been passed over the generations. The priests of the temple prohibited him from entering as he was from a community of Shudras. The legend has it that after getting the entry denied, he went behind the temple and started to sing the Kirtana. To everyone's amazement, at the three walls of the temple broke and the Krishna's idol turned, so that Kankadas could get darshana. Moreover, the crack in the wall has been refashionized into a window called Kankana's Kindi, meaning Kanka's window. Devotees to this day visit Lord Krishna temple through this window. After this incident, Kankadas abandoned his profession as a soldier and devoted himself to composing kirtanagalu and writing literature and explaining philosophy to the people about Sri Hari. Some of the great works of the Saint Sri Kankadas are Haribhaktasara, Nalacharitre and Mahatarangini. Apart from making such a significant contribution to the Kannada literature, Kankadas also started the social and philosophical process. This helped him spread the message of equality, and he was also against the caste system and believed that this could harm people's socio-economic and people's life. He used to preach this 500 years ago, but we haven't met this yet and face issue related to casteism every other day. Hence in 2008 government of India has been government of Karnataka decided that his birthday as a state festival and declared state holiday. Karnataka observes each year Kankadas Jayanti. Lastly, I end my speech by saying one of his famous quote, ಕುಲ ಕುಲ ಕುಲವೆಂದು ಹೊಡೆದಾಡದಿರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಲದ ನೆಲೆನಾದರೂ ಬಲ್ಲಿರ, ಕುಲದ ಕುಲವೆನ್ನುತ್ತಿಹರು, ಕುಲವದ್ಯಾವುದು ಸತ್ಯ ಸಖ್ಯವುಳ್ಳ ಜನರಿಗೆ, ಆತ್ಮ ಯಾವ ಕುಲ ಜೀವ ಯಾವ ಕುಲ, ತತ್ವೇಂದ್ರಿಯ ಕುಲ ಪೇಳಿರಯ್ಯ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.